Hi, my name is Pat Bennett. I am of mixed descent. I have African American blood in me. I'm French, I'm Cherokee Indian, and I am German. Well, I decided to make this video to educate people because I'm also a student at Sac State University in Sacramento, and I'm learning a lot of very interesting stuff in my anthropology class. We're all told that we should be proud to be Americans, but I challenge you to question that. From some of the stuff I've learned, I'm not too proud anymore, okay? Did you know that in the early 14 and 1500s that the white Anglo-Saxon man came to this country? Well, I don't know if they came to the country, but when they were here, they forced Native Americans out of their homes at gunpoint? Did you know that they took Native American babies and African American babies from their mother's arms forcibly? I challenge you. Are you sure you want to be a proud American? Stay tuned for my next video. Bye.